What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restrict profile creations on Disney Plus. So once you're in your Disney Plus account, I'm going to walk you through how this is done and how you can restrict it. So if you click on your profile in the upper right and simple click on the current profile, you can switch between profiles, right? You can easily go ahead and switch between profiles, and of course that profile is able to create a profile. So if I click on profile right here and I go to edit profile, I am able to log into this profile or basically add a profile using this profile, right? So as you can see, it's there and I can click add profile and I can create a profile. Now I'm going to switch between this profile and select the second profile right here. And here you can see I'm in the second profile. So I can click on edit profile again. And as you can see, I can add a profile. So how do you go ahead and restrict account creation? So in order to restrict profile creation, what you need to do, simply hover over account and go to your account right here. Under account, what you're going to see when you scroll down is other settings such as restrict profile creation. So you can click on that. And from now, you need to just simply enter the password of your account. And that's going to ensure that whenever you want to create a profile, it's going to require the password before allowing anyone to create a profile. So I'm going to turn this on and walk you through it. And of course, I'm going to click on continue and you can see that it's there. Now, if I go back to home, you will see that whichever account I'm in, it doesn't matter. For example, this one I'm in, I can go to add profile and you can see right now it's requiring the password. And that's it, guys. That's how you restrict profile creation on your Disney account.